what's up guys? This is Mr. Eldridge, and in today's video, we're gonna look at the landmark Supreme Court case of Brown versus the Board of Education. The case of Brown versus Board of Education of Topeka, Kansas began when a group of African American parents, including Oliver Brown, challenged the segregation of public schools. Brown's daughter was denied entry into a white elementary school near her home and was forced to attend a segregated black school farther away. The lawsuit argued that segregated schools violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, which guarantees that no state shall deny any person equal protection of the laws. The case consolidated several similar suits and reached the Supreme Court in the 1950s. The specific legal question was whether state laws establishing separate public schools for black and white students were constitutional under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The court had to decide if the long-standing precedent of Plessy versus Ferguson in 1896, which allowed separate but equal facilities, applied to the public education, or if segregation in schools was inherently unequal and therefore unconstitutional. According to the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, states must treat all individuals equally under the law. Plessy had upheld segregation as constitutional so long as facilities were equal. The court had to examine whether segregated schools could truly meet this standard and whether segregation itself violated the equal protection. Applying this principle, the court concluded that separate but equal had no place in the field of public education. Chief Justice Earl Warren wrote that segregated schools were inherently unequal because they generated feelings of inferiority among black children, harming their educational and personal development. As a result, the court unanimously ruled in favor of Brown, overturning Plessy versus Ferguson in the context of public education and declaring school segregation unconstitutional. This landmark Supreme Court case paved the way for the civil rights movement and the desegregation of schools across America. Hey, thank you so much for paying attention to this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so now. Thank you so much and have a great day.